Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for hints, tips, and how-tos when you're just trying to survive on a budget. I'm Jay. This is an outlet, and I'm going to show you how to replace it right after this. Okay, first thing we got to do is turn off the power. I'm going to put this in my outlet, go downstairs, hit the breaker that I think it is, come back up, look to see if this actually went off. Okay, now that we know that the power is off, let's go ahead and pull this out. If you're wondering why I'm replacing it, as you can see, it's kind of loose. I was trying to make coffee the other day and just kind of did that. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and replace this. You want to go ahead and remove the screw from the outlet cover. Remove the insulation. You have a screw at the bottom and a screw at the top. Now these screws, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver or just a regular straight screwdriver. Okay, I got the top one out with a straight screwdriver. Okay, that's what a straight screwdriver looks like. And this is a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, it kind of has, it's like two straight screwdrivers together to make a Phillips. The only way I know to remember them is Phillips. Think of St. Phillips. I know there was no St. Phillips, but just think of St. Phillips. Think of Jesus on the cross, okay? Phillips, St. Phillips, cross. Let's go ahead and take the bottom screw out now. Okay, I know a lot of people out there have cell phones. Now would be a good time to take a picture of this with your cell phone so you know how to put it back together. It's kind of hard to see with this old outlet, but if you notice, these screws are silver and these are gold. The way I remember it is, think of when you get older, your hair turns colors, it turns gray. They call you a silver fox, but it's actually white. White to the silver, okay? Let's go ahead and get this cut off. Now I know some people can get them out, but I never had luck with it. That's why I just end up cutting them off. This one, we're just going to unscrew. And just go ahead and throw that out. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and strip our wires. Now you see how this bare one has that curve in it? We're going to do that to these. Okay, with the wires stripped, we're going to take a pair of pliers, or in this case channel locks, because it's the first thing I grabbed, and just kind of bend them. Now, if you get it too much, okay, if you bend it too much, the only thing you got to do is open it up a little bit. Okay. If you don't have enough, see that one's kind of short, should be a little bit long. If you don't have enough, just go ahead, strip a little more off. Okay, with our wires bent, let's go ahead and put them back on the outlet. Take your bare wire, screw that back in. Now if you notice here, there's like a little tab. See how it's kind of fits down in there? And these kind of have them also. Kind of helps you from wire sliding around too much. Okay, with all the wires hooked back up, we're going to stick our light back in. Okay, then we're going to go down, turn on the breaker, and see if this light comes on. If the light doesn't come on, we know we did something wrong. Okay, the light came back on, so we know this is all hooked up right. So what we want to do now is turn the power back off. Now if you're wondering what would happen if this light didn't come on, but there's still power to it, well, I'd know because my microwave and everything else would be on. Let's go ahead, turn the power back off. Go ahead, remove your night light. Now this is going to be the hard part. You got to kind of mush all these back in. Now some people take electrical tape and wrap around these just in case somebody gets in there and is messing around. I don't do that because I figure if you turn off the power and do it right, you don't need electrical tape around that. Okay, line up your screw holes. Just kind of get one started, then start the next one. Get it kind of snug, straighten it up a little bit, push back on it. Replace your insulation. Now if you notice, when I took that out, it was broke, so I'm going to replace this too. Put your light back in. I mean, you can tell that's a lot tighter than what it was. Let's go ahead, turn the power back on. Okay, we got the new outlet hooked up and it's working great. So I know there's going to be comments about why you should wrap in electrical tape, why you should do it this way, that way. I'm just saying you how I do it. There's going to be other videos showing you how to do it different ways. It's up to you to decide how you want to do it. Okay, with that said, remember to check the links down in the description box. I'll have links to outlets, outlet covers, people who support the channel, the Wayne Foundation. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.